can check a link in description box. Our today's DIY is super easy, super affordable, and it's actually really quick DIY. You can do it in no time at all. So I just made this one. You can make them in any color you want. You can use real flower or real leaves or artificial one like I did here. It's very light in weight. These are perfect over your bed, hang on a corner or a ceiling. This is such a great DIY who wants to decor in their wedding, birthday party, baby shower. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep watching. Things you are gonna need to make this are a wooden ring frame of any size, some artificial or real flowers and leaves. Next you need either woolen thread which can be wrapped around a ring, or you can spray any color over a ring. I have not used any of these because wooden color giving you a natural look. Next is just to make sure everything stay in place properly, I have used a glue gun and glue stick. In case you are planning to hang on a wall, you need a wall hanger. And lastly, we need a net or lace for putting pictures over it. So first step is to wrap a woolen thread around a ring in case you are using a hula loop or plastic ring. As I said earlier, I am not using it, I am just showing you as an example. Now take a net and cut out in a size of your ring. I have folded 2 to 3 times to increase the thickness of net, because my net is very thin and it will stick all the photos properly. I have made these 3 of the net strip offline. Now stick all the 3 net strips by using a glue gun around a ring. Be careful with the hot glue gun while sticking. Start out by putting flowers and leaves over a ring. I am showing you 2 different designs before going to the sticking process. I selected a second design because it balances the ring while you are hanging on a wall. Start the sticking process. Just look at this sticking flower giving us a beautiful look. Now the final step is select your favorite picture and then stick on a net strip with the help of glue gun.
this is turned out. It's so beautiful. Let me know if you guys like this DIY. I feel like one of the easiest, simple and pretty one I have ever done. You guys can do it and I'm very excited to see your pictures. Send it to me on Instagram ID. If you guys like my video, give thumbs up and do subscribe my channel.